Hello students, in this video you will learn how to create a table in HTML. So firstly we will write here comment statement, creating a table. Then as usual HTML tag, then body tag, inside the body tag we will use table tag to create a table. Then we will define their border of the table, border color of the table, inside the table tag we will specify table rows. The first row we use as a table header, means field's name. The first field name is name of a student and the second field name is address. Then in the next row, for that also we will specify here next table row. We will insert table data using TD tag. So for specifying table row we use TR tag. For specifying fields of the table, TH tag. Header of the cell tags. Then for entering data into the cells we use TD tag, table data. So in the first row we specified fields of the table. In the second row, first record Unnati Kumari and address Uttam Nagar, New Delhi. Now here I am saving the file. After saving the file, I will run it. Here you can see field's name and the first record of the table. Now second record I am going to enter. Again I will use TR tag for each and every record. Means for table row we have to use TR tag. Inside TR tag we will enter data using TD tag. Name of a student Priyanshu. An address Shanti Nagar, Betia. So Priyanshu will be displayed in the first column and Shanti Nagar Betia address will be displayed in the second column. and both will give you second record. Now third record I am also entering here. You can see using TR tag and using TD tag we will enter data in the cells. Kavita Rani, name of a student. And address Sivapuri, Patna. So here you can see I have entered 3 records. In the table C, 3 records you can see here nicely. Thank you.